So every year nagkakanda kami ng team building, syempre para pa-motivate namin yung mga workers namin, and not only the workers, also the staff. So we have many activities sa company na to. Every year yun ginagawa namin.
Raise your voice and shout it out. Got the right to be proud. Turn the world upside down. We are the team. Woo! No time is right, no place is wrong. Gotta stand up. We are the team B. Woo! Forever. Don't stop now, don't burn out. Turn up.
Para sa Team BMB, para sa inyo ang araw na to. Sana marami pa tayong pagsamahan ganito.
Get crazy. Let loose. Set yourself free.
We are Team C!
Get crazy.
Happy 20th anniversary BMB Steel. Together we build a better future.
We are Team Super Saiyan.
So sa team, sa site department, and also sa buong BNB, enjoy nyo lang yung araw na to, and then mag-relax kayo ngayong araw para sa inyo to. So yun lang, enjoy!
Please, honey, don't take it away. I'll be a good boy, do whatever you say. Listen, you gotta wait, baby, leave me this way. You better run right back. Every time you walk through me, girl, I'm begging, I need you to run right back. We are Team G. Babe, don't leave me crying. All these tears think I'm drying. I should be cool, don't try to hide it. You think by now I just stopped trying. Oh, please, honey, don't you take it away. I'll be a good boy, do whatever you say. Listen to me, wait, baby, leave me this way. You better run right back. Every time you walk with me, girl, I'm begging, I plead with you to run right back. Nothing in this world is free. I'll never
Nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng bumubuo ng BNB, lalong-lalo na sa mga boss namin. Nandito kami para mag-enjoy at mag-get together ng buong team. Happy 20th anniversary BNB Steel. Together we build a better future.
get you